Throughout the year, you're going to be using your digital notebook to take notes. And occasionally, you may want to highlight some information so that it stands out. The way that we've designed the digital notebook, the text here is permanent. It's not actually a text box. It's embedded in the background, which means that the highlighting tools that you would normally use to highlight text in a text box are not going to work. So this is what you're going to need to be able to do. You're going to have to be able to create shapes. So if you come up to the icon here, that's the circle and the square, you can create a shape. I choose the square shape for my highlights, and your cursor is going to turn into a plus sign. So let's say I wanted to highlight 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So what I would do is I would create the shape of a box. And you'll see that it's like light gray. Highlights, we usually try and make them yellow. So if you look, here's a little paint tool. You can choose yellow. You can choose really any color you want to highlight it. I'm going to choose yellow. But here's the issue. All of my text just disappeared into the background. So what you're going to want to do is actually, after you select yellow, you're going to create a custom color. So you're going to go down to this plus sign, and now you're going to change the transparency from all the way filled down to probably about 50% transparency. When you do that, now my text box is still yellow, but I can see through it, and I can see that 1 hour equals 60 minutes on the back side. The other thing I'm going to do is I don't really want a border on this, so I'm going to come and on my little pencil color here, I'm going to hit transparent, and it'll take the border away. So now I have a highlight tool. And it was a lot of work to create that first one, but guess what? Now you can copy and paste by using your little shortcut of Control-C or Command-C, depending on which device you're using. And then you can hit Control-V or Command-V and make a second box, and now you can use that to go wherever you want it to go and highlight the text that you have there.